Well, tell me, did you finish your table runner? And more importantly, did you share it? Hey everyone, Cristin here, and we have finished our table runner project. We actually finished it a week or two ago, but what I did is I waited for our last video so that everybody that had to go out of town or whatever, they're able to finish their table runner as well, so that I can do one last video of everybody's photos of their completed project. So we did this table runner, and the sponsor for this was My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. And I want to point out that the coupon code for that is probably going to expire in a couple days at the end of January. I'm assuming it will close off at the end of January. So if you haven't already jumped in on this project and you've been seeing everybody's posts of their completed table runners, then you want to do it quick. So the coupon code is Cristin_CBT, and there is a link under this video to My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop and to the CBT, the clear blue tiles, and to our coupon code and information on the project that we've jumped into next, which is a winter pillow using the designs out of the winter designs out of the Kimberbell vault. So a lot of information under this video of our project that we're working on now, and hopefully you finished your table runner, because this was such a really interesting learning experience. And like, even as we're working on our winter pillow, I'm thinking, oh, we could use our CBT tiles for this and that. By the way, did you see I have mine organized here? Debbie Adams came up with that awesome idea. We took them out of the box and put them in binder rings that made it really easy to get to them easily and have them all, like, if you know what size that you're going to use as far as the width, then I have them all separated by length. And that was such a great idea of Debbie's. I love that. So there's a link under the video for the binder rings that I used. But anyway, what I wanted to say is, if you haven't finished your table runner, get on it, finish it up quick. This is our last video here that I'm going to include everybody's photos. But if you haven't started the table runner project, or you haven't bought the clear blue tiles and you've been thinking about it, now is the time. What did I do with my box? Let me grab my box. I'm back. So the clear blue tiles, they come in this really nice box, and you get just a ton of the tiles, a ton. And it comes with a USB stick and a directional book on how to do the table runner, or you can watch the videos that we did together for our group project. But in this, there were slat bands and the USB stick that has all the designs, because there are exclusive designs. You can get most designs from the Kimberbell website, but the ones that are in this box are exclusive to those that purchase the clear blue tiles. So there, it comes on a USB stick with all of those. And then, like I said, you get just tons of the tiles, like tons. So I got the essential set and also the expansion set. If you got the expansion set, then it is the long tiles for the 14-inch hoop. I think 12 and 14, or I don't know, yeah, 12 and 14-inch are in the expansion set, and the regular essential set goes up to 10-inch, so 6x10 hoops. But you have to have the essential set. Like I said in all the other videos, you have to have the essential set to be able to do this, because that's where you get the USB stick and you get the majority of the tiles. The expansion set is just the extra tiles for the larger hoop people. So anyway, if you haven't ordered them yet, now is the time. I'm sure that the discount code is going to expire very soon, and you of course want to sponsor our project, or our sponsor for this project was My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. So go ahead and get your orders in now if you didn't already, and I hope you'll share a photo in the Cristin Creates group of your completed table runner. How fun. This was a really fun group project, and a ton of people joined us for this. And I loved seeing all the different table runners and the different quilting designs everyone chose, and so much fun. And I love seeing the back. Isn't that funny? Because I'm not used to that. Since all the quilts that I've done stitch in the ditch. So seeing the quilting design on the back, the traditional quilting look where it's throughout the whole quilt sandwich, I think that's so neat. This was a really fun project, and we all learned a lot on this project, so it was a really good one. So anyway, get your orders in if you haven't already, and I hope you'll share your photos. And now here are all the photos of all the people that joined in the group project and their completed table runner. oops, I almost forgot, and I know I'll get questions. So my shirt today is Be Kind. It is by So Cute Appliques, and the shirt is from Amazon. It's actually a sweater, and it's one of my favorites. I love this one. And I happened to be on Amazon last night looking for something else, and I saw this shirt, and it's half off the price from what I bought. So I will add a link. I don't know which side it ends up on YouTube, but I will add a link up at the top if you want to get this sweater and then make the cute Be Kind design. I love this one. I think this is one of my favorites, and one of my favorite sweaters too. So anyway, I'll add a link below the video, and also up top, that's a direct link. Have you heard that Kimberbell is coming out with a new spring quilt? Let's do it as a group project. Hey Kimberbell friends, Cristin here, and I know everyone is already so excited about the new quilt that's coming out from Kimberbell Designs. So I had a quilt shop reach out, and they asked if they could sponsor us for a group project. So of course that's just perfect timing, and it is so cute. You've probably already seen the photos, but if not, isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh. So that will be really fun for us. It is expected to come out like the end of February, I think is what they're expecting. And so we have a quilt shop. It is Daylily Fabric Shop, and they have asked to sponsor our group. So they have already put up a pre-order. So in the video description underneath this video, there is a direct link to the items that you need. And when you click on that link, it automatically brings you to those items, and it creates the discount for you. But if you do it a different way, that's okay too. The discount code for Daylily Fabric Shop is Cristin2022, 2022, since it comes out in 2022. So the items that you will need are, of course, the machine embroidery CD, because we'll be doing the machine embroidery version, and the fabric kit, and the backing. The backing does not come with the quilt, so make sure and get your backing kit. This one is going to have an embellishment kit and a thread kit. So all of those items we need for our project. And she also has created a couple of bundles depending on how you want to do it. So if you get all of the items, there's a bundle for that. Or if you don't want the thread kit, there's a bundle just for the machine embroidery CD and the backing and the thread, or not the thread, sorry, the embellishment kit. So look at the link that is in the video description, and you can see what options that you want to go with. So this one will be really cute. And like I said, it was originally planned for January, I think, but they pushed it out, and I think they're expecting like the 3rd or 4th week of February. So plan on like a March 1st start time maybe. But get your pre-orders in now, and we'll go ahead and get started as soon as it is officially released. Thank you, Daylily, for sponsoring our project.